Have you ever considered contributing to GitLab but don't know how to configure your workstation? Well, previously, the recommended way was to install the GDK, the GitLab Development Kit, which is the same tool used by GitLab's engineers. The GDK includes all the dependent components, however, it can be complicated to set up. I'm Sean Carroll. I'm an engineering manager at GitLab, and I'd like to walk you through an alternative way to contribute, GitPod for GDK. This is a one-click solution where a fully prepared development environment is launched in GitPod against your fork of GitLab. From GitPod, you can write code, interact with GitLab via the web interface, access the terminal and log files, or even connect to the database. Everything you need to develop for GitLab and submit merge requests to the main code branch is accessible via a single click in a familiar VS Code interface. Let's dive in and get started. There's 3 short videos in this series. This one, the introduction. In the next video, connecting to GitPod GDK, we will connect to GitPod for the first time and authenticate against your GitLab account. We'll do a tour of the GitPod interface. And in the final video, we will make a change to the GitLab source code and submit a merge request for review. Before we start looking at the interface, here are some useful links. The GitLab repository. This is the main source code repository for GitLab, and if you notice here, there is a button to launch GitPod. GitPod on GDK nodes. This document is really useful. It describes how to use GitPod and is part of the GDK development documentation repo. I suggest you check it out. GitLab documentation. This is the landing page for GitLab's documentation and includes the developer guides. This resource is kept up to date and it's a great reference for GitLab as either a user or as a developer. Finally, the Create stage office hours. The Create stage at GitLab has begun running office hours. You can come to the next office hours and GitLab engineers will be available to answer any technical questions you have in general or about a specific merge request you're working on. The office hours are run over Zoom and they're recorded in case you can't make them. We hope to see you there. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.